Hello students, welcome to online learning platform at Sharda Public School, Vijaypur. And this video is for grade 6 English and name of the lesson is Goose Chase. Let us understand plot of this lesson.
Okay children, let us look into learning outcomes, things which we can take away by end of this video. Number 1 is you will be able to organize information and events of a story in a logical manner. We will also know events which relate to each other in a pattern or a sequence of the story. Students, before moving forward, we must know what is plot development. Plot development means writers ensure that written content should be enjoyable. We have a basic structure of plot development, the structure or organization of events that make up a fictional story. In that, number 1 is exposition, beginning of the story that introduces conflict, character and setting. Number 2 is rising action, events before the climax, characters attempt to solve the problem but fails. Number 3 is climax, the turning point, the point greatest suspense or action. Number 4 is falling action, action and events that occur after the climax. Number 5 is resolution, end of the story where the conflicts or problems are solved.
Students, let us collect some important parameters of the story. Number 1, characters. Number 2, places. Number 3, introduction, that is the beginning of the story. Number 4 is build up, how the story build up after the introduction. Number 5, problem, definitely a good fictional story needs a problem. Number 6, climax, interesting part of the story. Number 7, exciting or important parts. Number 8, resolution, also known to be conclusion. And at last, the end. So students, let us begin with characters and place. In this particular story, we have 4 major characters. 4 schoolgirls. Number 1, Beena, Nishi, Vinita and at last, Valeri. And we also have Sister Steele, who is supposed to be hostel warden in the school. Then introduction. In introduction, the story starts in a school with a girl named Beena, and then she saw 4 adorable geese in school, and their names are Marco Polo, Captain Cook, Columbus, Amundsen. Build up of the story. One of the cook from the kitchen giggled, "If you keep demanding more food, we will fatten you up for the Christmas feast like those geese outside." Listening to this, she got afraid and she shared her concern with her 3 friends, Nishi, Vinita and Valeri. Problem and climax. Girls discussed and planned to catch geese and hide them secretly. Sister Steele stopped them angrily while they were catching geese. Next is exciting or important parts. All 4 girls went to school wearing a large blue overcoat. The way girls were catching geese. Next is Marco Polo gave an indignant squawk as Sister Steele was scolding them. So those were important points of the story. Next comes resolution and end, also known to be conclusion. In this particular story, we have 2 major resolutions. Number 1 is save animals and birds, and next one is follow school rules. In the end, we came to know that after listening to reason given by girls, Sister Steele roared with laughter and said, "Whatever you are thinking that we are going to kill and eat geese, no, geese are here for you to play and look after."
Okay students, I have a small exercise for you. You need to share a short story which you like the most. Then create a plot development video for your story similar to this video. And finally, share it with your teacher.
So that was the end of the story, students. Thank you very much.